Muslim and she wears a scarf under her beret, which is part of her uniform. But the colonel that she reports to has been requesting her regularly to remove the scarf, and she's been refusing. And as a result, we served her with a final written warning. He has now escalated disciplinary action against Fatima Isaacs, and as a result, charges were now brought against her. She's being charged with disobeying a lawful instruction by refusing to remove her headscarf, even though she's made several deviation applications in writing to the SANDF and to the colonel to allow her to wear the scarf. She's been receiving permission to wear the scarf by other officers. So she's been victimized and harassed for quite a lengthy period of time. But now the whole matter has been escalated to disciplinary action. The disciplinary action is of a serious nature because dismissal can be a result of that kind of disciplinary action. So we've now taken the matter up. We've been in touch with the SANDF. We're trying to escalate the matter as high up in government as possible because we are launching a legal application against them. We are also in the process of approaching the South African Human Rights Commission. So there's going to be quite a concerted legal approach that we're going to be taking through the Muslim Judicial Council. Yes, they're definitely in contravention of the Constitution, and more specifically, sister, they're in contravention with the Bill of Rights contained in the South African Constitution. It's clearly just discriminatory. And we are a bit taken aback that, in 2019, we're having to address an issue relating to discrimination in the SANDF, and with the South African Constitution is a very advanced, document with a lot of protections for our citizens, and yet this is happening. And that is why we're taking it seriously. And we need to ensure that this kind of harassment, abuse and victimization doesn't happen not only to women, but to all people working within the confines of the SANDF or any other state department or company in the country for that matter.